something? Yeah, what are you doing? Baby! Gini, come. Everything will be fine. Oh. Oh, I think you need to go. Yeah, no, you stay in. I'm just talking to Gini right now. Gini! Come down, that's fine. Yeah? We have another cat. No, you stay home. Oh, Gini's not happy. She doesn't want another cat. We have a new cat. Oh, golly. Look at them. Yeah. Look at your sister. What happened now? Oh. It's gone? Oh. No, oh. No, thank you. Hey. Yeah, you don't go happy. Baby. Why did you do that? No, you don't do that. Yeah, look, Gini's back.